7 Effective Homemade Solutions for Nosebleeds. Nosebleeds, known in medical terms as epistaxis, are a common problem. Although they don't tend to be something serious, it can be alarming for those who suffer from this condition. But what causes nosebleeds? The nose is full of small blood vessels. Since this is a very sensitive area, it is easily irritated. Nosebleeds happen spontaneously, sometimes at inopportune moments. They almost always happen when the mucous membrane becomes dry and tough. In addition, nosebleeds are common in patients who take anticoagulants and older adults whose blood tends to take longer to coagulate. In fact, some people even experience a reaction to chemical irritants, extreme heat and continual sneezing. Luckily, this is a condition that can be controlled easily with natural ingredients that everyone has access to. In this article, we would like to share 7 interesting solutions to use the next time your nose is bleeding. 1. Cold compress. Applying a cold compress is one of the most effective solutions to stop a nosebleed. The cold stimulates contraction of the blood vessels and helps to slow down the blood flow and stop the bleeding. Directions. Wrap an ice cube in a soft washcloth and apply over the bridge of the nose. Keep this in place for 5 to 10 minutes and repeat if necessary. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a natural product that can stop nosebleeds in a few seconds. Its application helps to seal the wall of the affected blood vessel and decreases the blood flow. Directions. Dip a cotton ball in the vinegar and carefully apply it to the nostril. Keep it there for 8 to 10 minutes. Repeat this each time you have a nosebleed. 3. Onion. The sulfur component in onions is ideal to stop blood flow that is produced by a broken blood vessel in the nose. The released natural gases help to stimulate the reparation of cells while the blood coagulates. Directions. Cut a piece of onion and put it around the nostril to inhale the vapors. You can also apply a few drops of juice squeezed from the onion. 4. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a natural remedy with many benefits which can control nosebleeds. It has astringent properties and anti-inflammatory properties that facilitate coagulation and stop the flow of blood. Also, it is ideal to strengthen the capillaries and avoid continual respiratory allergies. Ingredients. 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of nettle leaves. Directions. Heat the water. When it comes to a boil, add the nettles and inhale the vapors for a few minutes. Another option is to prepare a small amount of juice from the leaves of the plant and introduce 2 or 3 drops directly into the nose. 5. Vaseline. Vaseline is an excellent choice to avoid nosebleeds during dry months or during drastic changes in climate. Its direct application helps to maintain a natural lubrication of the nostrils, which prevents the bursting of blood vessels. Directions. Take a small quantity of Vaseline and apply in the nostril with a soft massaging motion. Avoid using too much because you won't be able to breathe. 6. Lemon juice. Applying lemon juice inside the nostril decreases the blood flow and accelerates recuperation of the irritated area. Directions. Put 2 drops of lemon juice inside the nostril and tilt your head back for a few seconds. Repeat when necessary. 7. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper has properties which stimulate cell activity and control blood pressure. Drinking tea from this spice is a good way to control nosebleeds. Its properties decrease the bleeding and accelerate the coagulation process. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. 1 cup of water. Directions. Add a teaspoon of pepper to a cup of hot water. Let it settle and then drink. You can also buy capsules of cayenne pepper to take 3 times a day. Of course, it is also easy to add the pepper to drinks and recipes. Be aware that even though these remedies help to stop bleeding, it is important to consult a doctor when the nosebleeds persist. However, nosebleeds do not tend to indicate the presence of a serious illness.